Ever sit down to work, and 5 minutes later you're lost on your phone watching random videos? Procrastination has a sneaky way of eating up your time. School, work, even personal stuff. And before you know it, hours are gone. And here's the kicker. The harder you push yourself to work, the more your brain pushes back. It's not that you're lazy, your brain just hates being told what to do. So today I'm going to show you a weird little trick that flips your brain's "I don't feel like it" switch into "let's do this" instantly. And you can start using it right after this video. Welcome to the Success Code, where we share strategies to help you learn faster, work smarter, and unlock your success mindset. In this video, you'll learn why reverse psychology is surprisingly effective against procrastination. 5 ridiculously simple techniques you can start right now. How to use them so they boost your motivation, not kill it. Why reverse psychology works on procrastination. The secret behind reverse psychology comes down to one thing: reactance. That urge you feel when someone says, "Don't do it," and you immediately want to do it more. When you turn that on yourself, it creates a kind of positive rebellion. Example, you think, "I'm not going to do this assignment. It's too hard." Sounds negative, right? But suddenly, another part of you pops up like, "Wait, why not? I can totally do this." Once you understand that, you can use it as fuel to start moving. And starting is the hardest part. 5 reverse psychology hacks to beat procrastination. 1. Commit to just 5 minutes. Don't pressure yourself with, "I have to finish everything." That's overwhelming. Instead say, "I'll just work on it for 5 minutes." 5 minutes is nothing. It's light, doable, and easy to start. And here's the magic. Once you begin, you'll often keep going without even realizing it. 2. Procrastinate. With a condition. You can delay it, sure, but first, write down 3 small steps you'll take when you return. This little permission slip reduces mental pushback, and those written steps act like a ready-to-go game plan. When you come back, you won't waste energy figuring out where to start. 3. Turn it into a forbidden task. Say out loud, "I shouldn't do this today," and watch your brain instantly challenge you with, "Why not? Let's do it." Humans hate being told no, even by themselves. Making something off limits flips a switch in your mind and sparks the urge to do it. If these tricks are already giving you ideas, hit subscribe. I've got more brain hacks coming that'll make procrastination a thing of the past. And drop a comment. Which of these do you want to test out first? Number 4, lower the bar until it's impossible to fail. Forget, "I need to do it perfectly." That thinking freezes you in place. Instead, aim for, "I'll do the worst version possible." When the expectation is low, starting becomes effortless. And once you've started, improving it happens naturally. 5. Switch to a different useful task. If you can't face task A right now, don't sit there stuck. Move to task B instead. This is productive procrastination. Avoiding one thing while making real progress on another. You'll still end the day feeling accomplished. How to use reverse psychology without backfiring. Here's the thing about reverse psychology. It's a clever little trick, but it only works if you keep it light and playful. The second you realize, "Oh, I'm just trying to trick myself," the magic's gone. So keep it fun, almost like you're daring yourself. Bet you can't do this. And remember, this isn't some miracle cure. It's a jumpstart, not the whole rocket. If your procrastination comes from deeper stuff like fear of failure or perfectionism, you'll still need to tackle that. Also, don't lean on it too much. Telling yourself, "I can't," over and over, even as a joke, can slowly chip away at your confidence. Use it in short bursts when you really need that push. And honestly, the best results come when you mix it with real productivity habits. Break big goals into small wins, set clear deadlines, reward yourself when you follow through. That's when the mind games and the practical systems work together. And suddenly you're unstoppable. Okay, today you learned why reverse psychology works. It taps into your brain's natural urge to rebel against limits. 5 quick, easy techniques to turn procrastination into action. How to use them wisely so they keep you moving forward. Now I've got one question for you. Which of these techniques will work best for you? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Thank you for always following and supporting the Success Code. To make sure you never miss new content, click the round subscribe button in the center of the screen, or choose the next video on the left or right. See you in the next one.